Hello friends, healthy and safe morning to everyone. Myself Rutuja Anandamane, studying in BA Part 3 in Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Today I am presenting seminar on a topic language variation in guidance of Dr. P.A. Patil ma'am. First we see the introduction of my presentation. We all know language is way to communicate to each other. It is tool for uniting people or dividing people. Language allows people to share. Language changes ties and it is not passive. There are much varieties in language. It is called the language variation. Next, we see the objectives of my presentation. First point is to acknowledge about the language variation. Second, to study the synchronic and diachronic linguistic. And third point is to see the approach of both synchronic and diachronic linguistic. Next, now we acknowledge main topic of my presentation, what is language variation. Language variation refers to regional, social, or contextual difference in the ways that a particular language is used. Variation between language, dialects, and speaker is known as interspeaker variation. All aspects of language, including phonemes, morphemes, and meanings, are subject to variation. Variation in language use among speakers or groups of speakers is a notable criterion or change that may occur in pronunciation, word choice, or even preference for a particular grammatical patterns. Variation is a principal concern in sociolinguistics. It has been discovered that variation is typically the vehicle of language change. Next point is language variation is considered important in language teaching. Why language variation is important in language teaching? Because its contribution of cultural values regards to the different ways of using the language function or other aspects of language like vocabulary, pronunciation, and so far so forth. In the next slide we see there are two bird images. One is asking what's the opposite of diachronic, and second one is answering synchronic, descriptive, synchronal, and synchronous. There are two types of language variation. First is synchronic language variation and second is diachronic language variation. First we see the what is synchronic language variation. Synchronic linguistics is the study of a language at a particular time. The time studied may be either the present or a particular point in the past. Synchronic analysis can also be made of dead languages such as Latin. Second point is synchronistic linguistics is often descriptive, analyzing how the parts of a language or grammar work together. Next, we see what is diachronic language variation. Diachronic linguistics studies the development of language over time. Comparative linguistics and etymology are two main subfields of diachronic linguistics. Here, comparative linguistics means comparing language to identify their historical relation, and etymology means study of the history of words. Next, we see approaches of synchronic versus diachronic language variations. First, synchronic language variation, study of a language at a particular time. It means study of a language in a present moments, and in diachronics first point is study of a language through periods of a time in history. It means it related with past moments. This one is look snapshot of language, and in diachronic this studies the evolution of the snapshot of language. In synchronic, analyzing the word order in a sentence in Old English only would be a study in synchronic linguistics, and in diachronic how word order changed in sentence from Old English to Middle English and now to Modern English would be studied in diachronic linguistics. For example, in Old English language there are some older words like thee, though, thy. They are converted into now in modern English you, your, you. Next, we see register. What is register and what is the role of register in language variation? It is defined as the way a speaker uses language differently in different circumstances. Second point is register are variation of the language used based on fields of use, style, level of formality and media uses. For example, language in sports, in media, television, journalism, radio and so on. Next we see what is dialect. A regional or social variety of language distinguished by pronunciation, grammar or vocabulary. There are the two major types of dialects. First is regional and second one is ethnic. Dialect is variety of language that signals where a person comes from. The word dialect comes from the ancient Greek dialectos, discourse language dialect. Conclusion of my presentation. In this part we learned that synchronic studies look at what associate with what at any given time, and diachronic studies look at what cause what and how things change over time. Thank you. This is my presentation. I hope guys you understand.